Good morning, students. In the previous videos, we have come to know that digestion is the process our bodies use to break down and absorb nutrients stored within food. But the ability to digest food is not the same for all animals. Hence, today we are going to study that why when the cows plan to dine out, their menus predominantly consist of grass and other byproducts. We know that many animals cannot easily digest grass, but the cows can do it very easily. What are the properties which makes the cow so very distinctive? First, we have to know the reason behind why the cows are known as ruminants. One of the main reasons is that out of the four stomach chambers in the digestive tract, the largest one is known as rumen, where it can quickly swallow the grass and store it. Then it will be partially digested and be called as cud. Later, the curd can be returned to the mouth in small lumps using the contracting movements of the stomach. This process altogether is known as rumination, and hence these animals are known as ruminants. There are few more distinctive characteristics in cows. Cows are unique in the way that they have fewer teeth than other animals. The incisor teeth, also called as the biting teeth, are only located in the bottom jaws in case of the cows. In place of the top incisors, there is a hard leathery pad known as the dental pad. In addition, cattle have a relatively immobile upper lip. Because of this unique oral anatomy, a cow uses its tongue to grasp a clump of grass and then bites it off. The teeth located in the backside of the mouth, known as the molar, helps the cow to shred the tough stem, grasses, etc. into smaller pieces. The diet of cows consisting of grass, plant parts, etc. is rich in cellulose, hemicellulose and pectin. We know that human beings cannot digest cellulose and hence cannot consume a diet consisting of grass. While cows can easily digest the cellulose in the grass. This is made possible because of the presence of special type of bacteria present in their digestive tract. Some of the examples of these friendly bacteria are Lactobacillus ruminis, Methanobacterium ruminantium, etc. In case of animals like horses, rabbits, etc., they have a large sac-like structure called cecum, where these bacteria digest the cellulose in their food. Coming back to the cows, we are seeing that their stomach have four different chambers. They are rumen, reticulum, abomasum, and omasum. Some of the benefits of the mechanism used by ruminants are: first, ruminants can easily extract the nutrients from the food which other animals cannot digest, such as grass and byproducts of harvest like husk, stems, etc. Second benefit is that even their solid fecal matter can be used as manure due to the presence of enriching bacteria. The solid fecal matter can also be used as a fuel. All these different mechanisms and the various benefits makes the ruminant one of the important component of our environment. Thank you.